Alright, so here's my Italian oregano variety that's just been growing absolutely wonderfully for me. I mean, it's been producing for about 3+ years now. It shows no signs of slowing down. Everywhere I harvest from, it fills right back in, so it's basically an endless supply of oregano. Unlimited in the sense of the word that it'll never run out. Over time, it'll just keep reproducing itself, but it's not unlimited at any given moment. Like, I can harvest this whole plant, but know that this whole plant will come back. So I just wanted to, I came out today because I was gonna harvest some for a meal that I'm cooking right now. I have some red beans on the stove, a Louisiana special, New Orleans specifically. I'm just gonna harvest a couple of these shoots here. It's still nice and tender green. Drop a couple on the Brix meter. I've been having fun with the Brix meter lately, and I've been realizing that foods that have a high Brix or a high soluble solid content are basically superfoods. So that's why the goji, that's why it's known as a superfood, because if you recall from the other video, it measured like a 35 or something. That's the highest measurement I ever got from any food ever. And I measured some very nutritious foods. So here I have my little garlic press. I'm gonna grab some of these fresh, beautiful shoots that I actually want to eat, but since they're high quality, I'm gonna sacrifice this for the Brix test. I'm gonna just basically throw the stems in there with the leaves, since I do eat the stems too. So just ball it up a little bit. Feels kind of dry. In case that's not enough, I'm gonna grab a couple of these younger leaves, throw in there, and oops. Got that in there. And basically, just gonna crush and hope that some juice comes out. Close, but no cigar. Guess I'm gonna need a lot in there. It smells super aromatic though. Man, that's strong. It probably would have been better if I would have juiced the oregano first. But let's hope that this press mashing it does the job. Maybe if I fill in that whole thing, but that's a lot of oregano just to get a couple drops. It's not like I'm gonna eat it all anyway, so just throw it in there. And let's hope we can get a measurement. I just basically want to see what the Brix is on oregano, because it's real aromatic, so I'm sure it has a decent Brix score. Nothing to laugh about. Yeah, that looks good. What you think? What y'all think? That looks a little bit better. Squeeze it. I'm gonna lift it, and basically what I'm gonna do is try to flip some of this without sitting this on the ground. Try to stuff some of that oregano into the middle, and then I'm gonna go for another squeeze. We still have some oregano that hasn't been squeezed yet. Sorry about this angle. I forgot to bring my tripod out. I'm gonna do another squeeze. Now that's a lot of material there. Looks like leaves coming out. Let's see if we can still get a reading. Looks like shredded leaves. Push that against the lens. .8. right. Let's see what it does without my finger. 11.5. Press it against there again. And 11. So I'm gonna give it a 11 plus Brix score. So Italian oregano is a decent variety. Now I want to see how it actually compares to varieties like wild Za'atar oregano. You know, all the different ones. I have wild Za'atar growing right now, and I also have Vulgar, but I definitely don't have enough material of Vulgar just to to splurge on a quick Brix reading. But oregano is definitely a nutritious food, I'll say. A Brix score of 11 plus is nothing to laugh about. That's typically a good range for certain foods. So I'm gonna go pop this into my red beans. Y'all have a good one. And comment below. Have you tried fresh oregano, and have you ever noticed any type of relaxation in your body after waking up or something? Or do you feel different after waking up when you eat oregano? And what effects do you feel, if any? Let me know below. See y'all in the next one. Eat your goji berries. They have a Brix of 35 plus on a good day.